Wishing you a very, very happy birthday, Ankita. Have a lovely day. We always look forward for your cherishing food items and your breads. Good thing that you changed from your health conscious to at least some fun food during the lockdown. You are a real savior, and looking forward for a session at home soon. Have a lovely day. Love you lots.
My Jalebi Bai, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. May you have a blast today. And yes, your party is pending. Don't think you'll get away without your party. As soon as the lockdown gets over, we're waiting to party together. Have a great day.
Hi Anki, in every sense, you are a chota packet with a big dhamaka.
Be it a master chef
Or a drama queen.
or an eco teacher.
Or a party planner. And the list can go on and on and on. Wishing you a very, very, very happy 40th birthday, Ankita. May God bless you with all the love and success.
Happy birthday, Ankita, to someone who is top notch, talented, terrific, and tremendous. Welcome to your 40s at your 40th.
Anki, क्या की start करो? There is so much to say about you. I'm really lost of words. You are a girl on rollerblades.
And we are travel buddies.
Yes, and Anki, you look hot in anything you wear, from Gucci to Linking Road ka clothes. So wish you a Fataka birthday, my Fatakri partner. Love you. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Ankita.
अंकिता हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. अभी तो बुढ़ी हो गई है, but then also the party is yet pending.
Happy birthday, Ankita. Happy birthday to the most naughtiest, funniest, loving, and unconditional love giver from the group. Stay blessed always. Anki, you are the only one, and I think Sanju, who have made this group and have always tried to keep us all bonded for life together. Stay blessed, have a fun-filled life. We have had too many trips together. The list just goes on and on. Too many memories we have created. So sweet. Thank you so much for all the unconditional love that you have given us. We are truly blessed to have friends like all of you all, like the besties standing in our life. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.
Love you, Anki.
Hi Ankita!
Happy 40th birthday.
And this is for you now.
क्या बोलती तू
क्या मैं बोलूं
सुन
सुना
हाथी का खंडाला
क्या करूं आगे मैं खंडाला
अरे घूमेंगे फिरेंगे नाचेंगे गाएंगे ऐश करेंगे और क्या
अंकिता, अबे चल, आजा अभी. तेरी 40th birthday हम सब यहाँ मनाएंगे. We'll have a good big celebration here with all of you. Come.
Welcome all the besties to Lonavala.
And happy birthday.
Happy 40th birthday.
Hi Ankita, wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. My partner in crime, my best friend who's taught me how to do makeup even when you go down to buy vegetables. Do not forget that. And someone who's taught me a lot of things in life. My girl who's full of positivity, positive energy. My woman empowerment girl who I always look up to and always will look up to, always in my life. Someone who's been beside me for everything, and every damn small thing comes running to my house. I don't have words, but my partner in crime, in dance, in makeup, in tears, in happiness, in sorrows, in everything. And this goes just for you. There you go. It's not going to be a short video, guys. It's going to be a really long video because This is just for you, Auntie. There you go. Hey, that's for you. Kodi nu nachne de. Like we always tell everybody, let us dance, let us freak out wherever we are. And I love you, Auntie. Happy 40th once again. One more song, which is an old number, but it goes just for you and me. 2 turkey friends together. There you go.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, the sweet 16 girl.
40 is just a number.
Anki, you are a loving girl.
You're multi-talented.
You are social.
You're master chef.
You are a fashionista.
You're loving.
You are caring.
We love you.
You are a super host.
You're superstar.
You are amazing. And Anki, we wish you again a happy
Happy birthday, Mama. Thank you for everything you've done for us. Thank you for making our wishes come true. We can't live without you. We love you so much and have a great year ahead.